Hey guys, before this, oop, let's go here. So there is a 50% chance for a cyclone to form. I will talk about that in just 1 second. Also, one thing, share this video, share this channel, so this channel can grow so much more. If you guys share this channel to friends and family that you know that might be impacted by Tropical Storm VongFong, or also known as Ambo. This is update number 2, 9 p.m. Filipino time, and it's supposed to impact the Philippines. So, share this channel, subscribe, and I am in a subscriber war with Rebel Hub TV, to 1,000 subs. So, can we please win? Okay, let's get on with the video. Okay, so we can see the track here. It literally skims it, and then it just goes right through Luzon. Doesn't care. Just goes right through it. So the track and distance is 251 miles, 404 kilometers from Gamay, Philippines, 11.4 degrees north, 128.8 degrees east, 516 miles, 832 kilometers per Little Low Island in the Philippines. Just wait 1 sec so it can restart, and I actually might hit Japan. Okay, so we can see it moving, and the purple is typhoon colors. And then we can see it just going on out. So this is the humidity. The humidity is perfect for this storm. Great humidity until right along this area, and then it kind of dies. But this is the wind shear. Wind shear is really good, but there is some spots there. Temperatures are like 80s all around, so really good for this kind of storm. So I hope you enjoy. That's Tropical Storm VongFong, PH Ambo, update number 2, 9 p.m. Filipino time. Alright, bye bye.